Guys, I have had a bit of a revelation. Sat here this afternoon. I wasn't going to film today. As you can see, I've been out all morning, living that busy mum life. I've been at soft play with my littlest. I went to put makeup on and do my hair and change my outfit, and I thought, what am I doing? It's just so unnecessary, and it just sort of clicked that I really don't need to do that. You guys don't care what I look like. I don't care what I look like. So this is me, straight from soft play, put the baby down, and do you know what? There is something so liberating about this. I just got the camera out, I've sat down, got a drink, and that is that. I'm ready to film, and I'm 100% gonna do this more often because this feels great. So hi, welcome back to my channel. I popped to B&M yesterday with my youngest in tow, obviously, because he's always with me. And I wasn't intending on doing a haul. It wasn't my intention to walk in there and walk out with a haul. I did, because actually there was some really lovely things in there, lots of useful bits, some new bits. Yeah, absolutely haul worthy, which is what I'm going to sit down and do with you today. And guys, it's miserable out there. Like, let me show you what my views are. Can you even see that? But that is pouring down with rain. Absolutely miserable. So I'm just going to sit here in my comfies, grab yourself a cup of tea or a cold drink. I need a cold drink after running around soft play. And let's see what I got in B&M. Nice cozy video for you. Okay, I've got no order to this. This is very off the cuff. Did I say that right? Is that a saying? Off the cuff. Have I just said that right, or do I sound like an idiot? Is it off the cuff? I think it is. First thing I've picked up is, ooh, surely you can hear that rain now. I don't think I've ever done a B&M haul since having Cooper without this. An instant sign that you've been to the shops with a toddler. So I got the boys some of the chocolate orange little mini cookies. These are so yummy, by the way, but obviously they got opened while we were in the shop so that I could walk around B&M in peace. You gotta do what you gotta do. I got myself some more tea towels. I have just these black basic ribbed tea towels in my kitchen. Just no patterns, keeping it nice and basic. And they're just looking a bit used and a little bit grubby now, my tea towels. So I thought I'll buy a few more, freshen it up a little bit. Pack of 3 ribbed tea towels for £3.50. I got my signature basic black frames. I have so many picture frames in my house. You'll know if you watch my videos. Oh my gosh, that rain, guys. Can you hear that? I'd be surprised if you can hear me at all right now. That is monsoon levels of rain out there. But yeah, obviously I'm obsessed with black photo frames and black and white photos. Got myself another one for the boys' like play area in the kitchen, because I've got one on our side unit of Leo, nice big one, and I feel like I have to put another one of Cooper next to it. That's the thing, I think, when you have multiple siblings. I find like I'm always looking around the house checking we've got even photos. I don't want to have more of one child than the other. So got myself that. I just need to get a little photo printed of Cooper to put in that, and I'll put that in the kitchen. That was £2.50, by the way, for the, well, it's 4x6 with the mount and 5x7 without the mount. I got this for Leo. So as of tomorrow's the last day of school, we will be in Easter holidays. I always do a little like craft making setup when we go to school holidays, because it just keeps them nice and busy on days like this when we literally can't go outside. It's nice to have lots of things to do. I've got him loads of Easter crafty stuff, so I was really full up on that. But I just realised that I didn't have like a basic blank pad. Blank white paper is just invaluable when you have like school-aged children. I think he will go through this in the holiday, and you get a whole pad of 50 bits of paper for £1 in B&M. So made sure to grab that. Some toilet discs. I love a cistern toilet disc. I feel like I talk about this all the time. I usually sound like the most boring person ever. I do love a toilet disc. I love a blue flush. If you know, you know. And these last quite a while. So I got myself a couple of the toilet blocks to go in the cisterns. Okay, again, if this isn't your first video, if you've watched a few, you will know that I am always raving about Escape from B&M. So they have their own sort of candle diffuser, etc. range that looks really high end. Looks like sort of something you get in Next or White Company. I have the Escape candle burning all the time. just in my kitchen, and then I also get the diffuser and I usually put it in the downstairs loo. But guys, they've upgraded the diffuser and it looks so good. So it's normally just in like a basic little bottle, but they've made the bottle like a really cool shape, and they've got black reed diffusers with it now, and it looked really high-end before, and it smells very, you know when you walk into Next and you walk past the diffusers and you're like, smells like that. Honestly, try this, try Escape. And this new shape diffuser is £5, and I'm really looking forward to setting this up. I don't know where I'm going to put it because it's a little bit bigger than normal, so it might be too big for the downstairs toilet. I might put it somewhere else. Yeah, if you try one new thing from B&M, just get the Escape candle or reed diffuser and just trust me. Okay. I got a bag of mini eggs. These aren't for me to munch on during nap time, unfortunately. On my little Easter themed centerpiece on the dining table, I have these little like cracked eggshell bowls, which are so cute. Go and look at my Decorate for Spring with Me video if you want to see them. And on the littlest one, I fill it with mini eggs and I have a little scoop in there. Obviously, I live with a 6-year-old, nearly 6. So the mini eggs last about 5 minutes and it's empty. So I got another bag to fill up the bowl. I don't know why I bother, because they'll all go. This I was excited to see because I've been seeing this all over Instagram. So Mrs. Hinch has a new scent of her, you know, cleaning. Obviously she does it all across the board, doesn't she? Like Flash, Lenore, Febreze, she does it all. But she has a new scent, and her scents are always really good, and this is a new one. It's called, just checking, so it's called the Country Garden Edition, and it's pink tulips and white jasmine. So they look like this, the range looks like this, so look for the pink stuff, covered in tulips, which is a good sign for spring. I'm thinking it's going to smell really good. Oh my god. So I got the softener. I deviated from my normal softener that I normally don't go without. I thought I will try this one and I'll see what I think, because it smells so good and it is spring, even if it looks like that outside. And then I also got the matching fabric spray. I normally use the Fabulosa fabric spray, which you will have seen in my videos. That's good. But I thought I'll try that one. Being spring, that smells really lovely, guys. It smells like, yeah, a bunch of tulips, I would say. It smells like flowers. So I got both of those. I can't remember exactly how much they were, but they were a good price. I got myself some more Tassimo pods. There's not really a lot to say about this. Our coffee machine is a Tassimo machine, therefore I buy Tassimo pods. It's exciting, isn't it? If you're interested, I get the Costa caramel latte for my Tassimo, and I can highly recommend it to you. It's delicious. I mean, I'm not going to bang on about it anymore because you've just heard me talk about it for ages, but got the matching candle. As I said, I'm always burning this candle in the kitchen, literally all day, every day, and it's nearly run out. It's like the wick is like that big on the bottom, so perfect timing to go in and get another one. £4. I burn this constantly and it lasts ages. A lovely slow burner. God, it just smells so good. So I will pop that in the kitchen when the other one has run out. Oh, I forgot I got this for Coopy. They have some really cute little platter plates, new ones in. I didn't get one for Leo because I thought he'll look at this and go, I'm absolutely not using that. He's too old and too cool for that sort of thing now. But really cute for my toddler. So £3. There was a couple of patterns, and I got the like sort of foresty theme one with the animals on it. I just love platter plates. I think for lunch and even for dinners, I love just separating his bits and laying it all out like that. I think it's so much clearer for them as well to see what they're eating. And as you can see from the sticker that I'm just trying to get off, it was £3. I got this actually in the garden section because it was with like the picnic stuff, and I nearly got quite a lot of garden stuff. Like they had some beautiful outdoor candles and things for the garden, like decor bits for the garden, and I stopped myself because I thought I'll wait a little bit longer. Maybe if I wait till next month, and then I'll make it more of like a summer themed haul where I'll go in on the garden section and I'll go nuts and I'll get loads of stuff and then I'll show you. But I held off for now because, yeah, looking outside, it's really not time to buy stuff for the garden. Got some quick milk straws for Leo. Again, if you watch me all the time, you'll know that I get these every single time I go to B&M because my eldest loves to have a cup of milk in the morning with a quick milk straw. They're basically, if you're new, they're called magic sippers. So they're little straws filled with balls like this, and the balls are flavored. So when he drinks his milk, the milk becomes flavored by magic. And this one is birthday cake flavor because he likes that one. I got some Seabrook crisps for Clint. Not very exciting, but he loves a beefy Seabrook. And you don't always see them on the shelves. They're not the most popular flavor of Seabrook crisps. So when I see them, I grab them for him because he loves them. That's how you keep a relationship alive, isn't it? Getting the snacks in. I got some Sillet Bang. I have not used this for ages. I tend to stick to just your basic Flash. All of my sprays are Flash, apart from I think I've got one, which is like a foam bathroom spray. But yeah, I haven't had Sillet Bang for ages, but I bought this for a reason. My ensuite bathroom is like my Monica cupboard. I never film in there. I never show you guys that. I hate it. It's falling apart. The toilet seat is broken. We haven't had a toilet seat in there for like a year. The like plug on the sink is broken. It's just the most disgusting room, but it's on our bucket list of things to do in this house, probably next year. But the shower, where I neglect it, like I say, it's my Monica cupboard. I do neglect it, I will admit that. And then I went and tried to clear out like the shampoos and stuff the other day, and I could see like mold in the corners, which I'm just horrified at. I can't believe I've let it get there. But I'm not gonna lie to you, you know, but everyone has one part of their house that they just hate to go near, and the ensuite is 100% mine. But I'm going to tackle it. It's one of my missions for like the school holidays, I think, is to just try and make that room a much more pleasant place to be. So this is where my friend Sillet Bang will come in. Do you remember that guy on the adverts? Bang, and the dirt is gone. That's what I'm hoping is gonna happen. So watch this space. I might film it. I might. I've never let you guys in there before. It would be a first. This is the one I'm most excited about. I haven't told Clint I've got these because he told me not to bother. Obviously I've just done it anyway because I wanted to. But he has put some fencing out the front of our drive at the front of our house on our drive, making like a little bin tidy. He's put an extra fence sort of across where our bins are. So now we have quite a lot of fencing at the front of our drive. Like it's hard to describe without seeing it, but yeah, there's a big line of like fence down there. And I said I wanted some lighting on there. He thinks I'm nuts. He doesn't see the point. But this is what I meant. I want to put some lights like this on the fencing. We have quite a lot of solar lights out there anyway. We have them like running down our drive and down like the side of our house, and they look lovely because we get sun on the front of our house. They work really well because they power up all day. I mean, not days like this, but when it's sunny, they power up all day, and it does look really lovely at night. So I'm gonna put these on the fence out the front, and he will be eating his words because I think it's gonna look really good. I nearly got two because I don't know how many I'm gonna need, but I thought I'll get one, see if it looks good, and I can always go back and get another. But they had quite a lot of outdoor sort of solar lights, and this is the one that I went for. So it's a pack of 4 for £12. Do you think that's really good? And they're black. The solar bit is just on the front here, but that's black as well, so it like blends in, and the light comes up and down, which is what I liked about it. No wiring required, obviously, because they're all solar. Oh, and a rechargeable battery per solar light. That's good, isn't it? Okay, so one of these days when it stops raining, finally, I will go outside and set these up and have a look on my Instagram, because I'll do a story for you guys when I do it. Hopefully it'll look good. Okay, last item. I know I've just said to you I didn't want to get any like summer garden stuff because it just doesn't feel right yet, but I did pick up this because these tend to fly off the shelves. So I just want to keep this in the boot of my car. Whenever the weather starts to pick up, as soon as spring comes, like me and my friends will tend to go outside more. You know, you stop meeting in the soft plays and you start meeting in the parks. And when you are going outside more, a picnic blanket is like your best mate. You just need a good picnic blanket on you all the time. I don't know where my one has gone from last year. It has literally disappeared. And they had a few really cute picnic blankets. So I picked up this monochrome black and white one, and it rolls up, which I liked, because the ones that fold up into a little square I always find it really hard to get back into that square, but this is a roller, much easier. And it is waterproof on the back. So that is essential if you're picking a picnic blanket, because if the grass is a bit dewy and wet, you want to make sure the underside is waterproof. So that was actually probably my star buy. I'm very pleased to have bought this, and I'm going to put it in the boot and I'll know it's there whenever I need it. It was £8 for this one. Like I say, there were a few different patterns, but yeah, it's one of those things, mums, just make sure it's in your boot and then you've always got it when you need it. Okay, there you go guys, there's what I got in B&M. I really enjoyed filming this video because I just sat down and did it. No thought went into it, no slap went on the face, my hair wasn't even brushed, and yeah, that's how it should be really, isn't it? Don't get me wrong, I love to look nice from time to time, but times like this, when I've got like an hour's window to do it, it just feels really good to just sit down and just chat to you guys. There's what I got in B&M. I hope you enjoyed it. I will do another one in 6 weeks or so, and I'll make that much more of a summer theme. Like I said, I'll go down the garden aisles and the summer aisles and I'll hit it hard. I'll go to the massive one that I go to when I really mean business. Thank you so much for watching my latest video. The sun is literally coming out as I'm finishing this video, which is lovely, isn't it? And don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will see you in my next video.